Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to backup and restore a database using phpMyAdmin inside cPanel. This is one of the most important skills every website owner should know, because if something ever goes wrong with your site, a proper database backup can save you hours of stress. Before we start, let's quickly talk about why this matters. Your database holds critical information, things like your WordPress posts, user accounts, WooCommerce orders, or any custom app data. If your site gets hacked, a plugin update breaks something, or you accidentally delete content, a recent backup lets you restore everything in minutes instead of starting from scratch. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your cPanel account. This is usually provided by your hosting company, and you can access it through a link like your domain.com/cPanel. Once you're logged in, scroll down to the Databases section. In the Databases section, click on phpMyAdmin. This will open a new tab and load the phpMyAdmin interface, where all your databases are listed on the left-hand sidebar. Go ahead and select the database you want to back up from that sidebar. Now let's back it up. With your database selected, click the Export tab at the top. You'll see two export methods, Quick and Custom. For most users, the Quick method is perfectly fine. It exports everything with default settings. Make sure the format is set to SQL, then click Export. Your browser will now download a .sql file. This file is your complete database backup. I recommend renaming it with today's date, something like my database _backup the 22nd of July 2026.sql, and storing it somewhere safe, like Google Drive or an external hard drive. Pro tip: if your database is very large, use the custom export method instead. It lets you compress the file into a .zip or gzip format, which is faster to download and easier to store. Now let's cover the restore process. This is what you do if you need to recover your data or move it to a new site. First, select the database you want to restore data into. If you're restoring to a brand new database, make sure you've created an empty one first through cPanel's MySQL Databases tool. Next, click the Import tab at the top of phpMyAdmin. Click Choose File, and select the .sql backup file we exported earlier. Leave the format set to SQL, and if your file is compressed, phpMyAdmin will automatically detect and handle the .zip or gzip format. Once you're ready, scroll down and click Import. After a few seconds, you'll see a success message confirming the import completed. And just like that, your database has been fully restored. After the import is complete, it's a good idea to verify everything worked correctly. Browse through several database tables and confirm they contain data. If this database belongs to a website, visit your website in a browser and test several pages. Log in to the admin area if applicable, and verify that everything functions normally. Checking your site immediately after a restore helps you catch any issues before they affect visitors. Before we wrap up, here are a few quick tips to avoid common mistakes. First, always double-check you're exporting or importing the correct database, especially if you manage multiple sites. Second, never edit the .sql file manually unless you know what you're doing, since one small mistake can corrupt the entire file. And third, schedule regular backups. Don't wait until something breaks to think about it. And that's it. You now know how to back up and restore a database using phpMyAdmin in cPanel. If this tutorial helped you, do me a favor and hit the like button, subscribe for more web hosting and website management tutorials, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.